I will make sure you are no longer part of our woman. Because you are not. You are not. Hey! What kind of thing is this? Me of 4 persons, nobody has tried this. This son of a concubine. Abuchi. Useless Abuchi.
Abuchi, your brother.
Whose brother? Stop. He's not my brother.
Give me comment.
Abuchi will let me on the road. Abuchi challenged me. Abuchi wanted to fight. I will teach him a lesson he will not forget.
Papa Ekene Tigi.
Let nobody stop me. Go. Let nobody. Allow us to deal with Abuchi the way we want. Papa, stay here. Papa, be here. No, let nobody ask me to go back. Who is Abuchi? Papa, you heard the story. Just be here. Go and do whatever you like with him.
Mazi Udoka,
Your Highness.
those food items I saw outside, you said that for me?
Yes, they are for you.
It's not too much.
They are not too much. You deserve more. You deserve more. These are part of it. Japan wine. These are cola nuts and those oil.
I never give that and I never myself. I think too much.
If I have more than that, I will do that.
Yes, it's enough. What more?
If you say so. Well, for me, what I'm doing is because everybody is na ego no but na local, meaning the money works with blood. Mfasukwa na ego keji achu ego. Push means you look for something with something. Yeah. And also because Your Highness, I am here in respect of what I hinted you of 2 weeks ago.
What you hinted of? What would that be? Please help me, remind me, because we talk so many things that day.
It has to do with the chieftaincy title I made request of. The Edibagwa won and no winning. What you have now? Wait for us.
Look, I thought you were joking.
I suppose joking.
I thought you were joking.
And my joke at this stage, there's not a woman. I'm not joking.
Well,
I'm done.
You have to wait a little. Let me discuss it with my cabinet chief. You know, we are going to have installation of 3 people in very near future.
That is more reason why I should be part of that list. The 3 people you are going to. That is why I should be part of that. Because you telling me I should wait until you meet with your cabinet members. It will take a long time. Igbo, don't be angry, I have not finished. You know how funny human beings can be. Some of your cabinet members may not even want me to take the title. Trust human beings, they can be funny.
I'm still going to consult my cabinet chiefs before production. Consult. Yes, I have to consult before production.
Golie. Let's go down. Go down. Okay, now twist your waist. Your waist. Okay. I hope you are doing what I'm doing. Yeah. Free.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whoa!
My guy, Afana, please, I want you to do me a favor.
What favor, sir?
Just go inside and tell the princess that her promise is here.
Why don't you call her line?
No, her line is off. Besides, I don't want the king to see me. So please help me, or just tell her promise is here.
Alright, sir. Let's try.
You both can go back inside. I'll take it from here.
Come Stop! What was that for?
Yeah.
Why did you do that?
I missed you, baby.
I missed you too, but you don't have to. We're outside. Someone might see us.
Okay. So what happened to your phone?
I switched it off. Besides, I really needed to rest.
Rest? So some guy have been disturbing your phone?
Don't start. My father went out with some of his chiefs. He might be coming soon, so I don't want him to see me here.
Your father? Hey, let's go to my house then.
I'll come tomorrow.
Are you sure?
I promise. I'll come.
Let's try and come.
I will.
Missed you.
I know I missed you. Don't worry. Just go. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Go!
Come.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Alright.
No, I want to watch you drive. So tell me, dear, how has it been?
I'm not fine.
Why?
I'm not fine.
Why?
Because you have refused to stay with me in the city.
The only reason I said so is because I can't leave my father here and come to the city. Where would I tell him I'm going to? Besides, you're not doing anything in the city. Yes, your brother sends goods, you do the supply. Is that the reason you should not be a city man? Mother is also away abroad and she instructed you to stay here and look after this house.
My princess, don't forget, my brother's house is in the city. I need to take good care of the house.
I know that. I know. But all I'm saying is for you to be more around. You know, if you really want this relationship to work. As for the city, I will come the day I see a ring on my finger. And I will not want the Igbo to start asking too many questions.
Well, look at what we'll do. I will be shuttling from village to town. But because of you, I will do more village. Okay?
Okay. And the ring?
The ring. Coming soon.
Be serious, what's that?
Come on, I'm dead serious. The ring is coming soon.
How can you tell me the ring is coming soon?
You look more beautiful when you're angry.